help in decision making, to help in coordination, to help in solving business problems, to help in motivating employees, to help in interpreting financial information. When you look at this objectives, entirely it is a function of principles of management of the organization: planning, organizing, controlling, communicating, decision making, coordinating, solving business problems, motivating employees. Employees will get demotivated every often. So to motivate the employees, managerial tools are very much important. To help in interpreting financial information, which already I discussed very well. So various functions of the management depends mainly upon the functions of the managerial accounting. Now, next slide. Tools and techniques of managerial accounting. As I said, the major tool for financial accounting is management accounting is from financial accounting. So here, tools and techniques of managerial accounting: financial planning, analysis of financial statement, like which you don't have, they have not introduced this particular chapter. So you have already studied this in the earlier semester in corporate accounting. Analysis and interpretation of financial statement is the tool of management accounting, like comparative statement, common size statement, trend analysis. All these you studied in corporate accounting as one of the chapter. Comparative, common size, trend percentages, etc. All these are the tools which is developed by the management accounting. Historical cost accounting, standard costing and historical costing and managerial costing is developed by the cost accountant, but management accountants will also utilize that as one of the tools. Fund flow statements, I discussed about fund flow statement in detail. Budgetary control and decision making accounting, statistical techniques. These are the various tools through which the management accounting functions. What are the limitations of managerial accounting? What are the disadvantages or limitations? Based on traditional accounting, as already I said, it depends mainly on the financial accounting information. If there is no financial accounting information, there is no scope for management accountant. If financial accounting is there, then the management accounting will be useful. Whatever information provided by the financial accountant becomes a major tool for the management accounting. Knowledge of other related subjects. So there is no, it will not focus on the other related subjects like statistical analysis or some other subjects. It will not touch with that. Continuity and participation. So there is no continuity. Once if you prepare the cash flow statement, once if you prepare the fund flow statement, and once you prepare the ratio analysis, there ends the job. There is no continuity as such. Once in a year it is prepared and there ends. So and budgets, once if you prepare, it's over. Every often we don't prepare the budget, but controlling will be there based upon the budget. It does not provide decision. So it will not take any decision. It is just gives the information to the management. It prepares the various statements like fund flow, cash flow ratios, etc. And those informations will be given to the management. It is not an alternative of management. This management accounting is not an alternative for financial accounting or cost accounting. It is one of the tool, like management accounting is one of the tool in addition to the financial accounting and the cost accounting. Evaluation, evaluationary stages. Human opinion is not so good with regards to management accounting. Broad based scope, costly installation. It's very expensive to introduce because too many employees are required to introduce the management accounting, and collection of data is a very expensive. Lack of coordination in operation. There is no coordination between the various departments as well as from the financial accounting. If financial accountant does not cooperate, then managerial accounting becomes mere waste. All these are the various limitations of managerial accounting. Now, let us see the difference between managerial accounting and users of information. Financial information, most of required by the outsiders, as I said, like investors, creditors, bankers, government authorities, or the government for the purpose of tax. Investors means who? The owners of the company, debenture holders, shareholders. First, if they want to introduce money into the business, if they want to buy the shares, if they want to buy the debentures, so first they look upon the financial statements. The financial accounting information becomes a major tool for them to invest. Whether to invest or not, they take the decisions. Investors, creditors means suppliers of the goods. Before they supply, they want to see the strength and weakness of the business. That is called SWOT analysis. Based upon that, they're going to invest on the or supply the goods. Bankers, to provide the overdraft facility, cash credit facility, they need the financial statements like profit and loss account and balance sheet. The government requires for the purpose of payment of taxes. All these are the outsiders. When you look at the management information, managers means mainly it is required by the managers, and owners. Owners means the shareholders, owners or directors. Employees required because they going to demand the bonus or some other amenities, increments, bonus, promotions, etc. For that purpose, this information requires. So when you look at the purpose, helps investors, creditors and others make investment, credit and other decisions. Purpose helps managers plan and control business operations. These two differences you can see. The financial information is required by the outsiders. Management accounting information is required within the organization for decision making purpose. Now, distinction between financial accounting and managerial accounting. What are the major differences? This is a definite question for you in section B. State the difference between financial accounting and managerial accounting. Financial accounting, it is a systematic knowledge and the art of recording business transactions in the books of business. It is a basic accounting which helps the person to know the financial position of the concern. Financial accounting definition says it is a systematic knowledge and the art of recording business transaction. It is an art of recording the business transaction. It is a systematic knowledge, systematic procedure. Means if you want to record the transactions in the financial accounting, you must be well versed with the commerce or accounting principles, concepts, conventions, procedures, etc., which already we studied. You studied in the first semester. Principles of accounting, personal account, real account, nominal account principles. Accounting concepts also I told you, various accounting concepts. The accountant must know the various accounting concepts. He must be well versed with accounting conventions and the generally accepted accounting principles. Generally accepted accounting principles, this will work mostly upon the rules and regulations. Art of recording, everybody cannot do this. It is an art of recording. Only the person who is well versed with the knowledge of accounting can only record the transaction. Art of recording business transactions in the books of business. It is a basic accounting which helps the person to know the financial position of the concern. It is the basic accounting information. So mainly the financial accountant's duty is to just recollect your memory. He collects all the information or transaction. He record the business transaction. It means even if he collects all the information, he records only the business transactions into the various sets of books of accounts, business transactions into various books like journal or subsidiary books. Then it will be posted to ledger. Then preparation of trial balance. Then the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is a continuous process or regular process or a systematic process. So he has to follow that system.